Hey, this is Chad with Stokes Mosquito Pest. We just got in installing a mosquito misting system, and I just kind of wanted to share it with you because it's kind of the future of pest control, to where you don't have to have a guy at your house all the time, but you can kind of put pest control in your own hands. I'm going to flip the camera around and just kind of walk through this yard that we put it in. The way the system works is that it has little misting heads that put out an insecticide that's great for mosquitoes and other flying insects. We're running it through a test system right now, so this is just water. We hadn't added the chemical yet. But you can see how these misting heads put out a real light mist, which is great for gnats and flies and mosquitoes. We even have them up. Kind of hard to see because we've got them tucked away pretty good, but we even have them up underneath the soffit of the house. So they're getting their whole back living space taken care of. We have a couple behind the walls. I'll just walk you over here real quick. So again, we have the mist heads up in the soffits. We put them about every 8 feet apart, 6 to 8 feet apart on the ground. There's another head right there. There's another head in the corner. And then because this area over here has the most significant amount of mosquito activity, we actually added some extra heads. And because we don't have flower beds to put them in, we've got them mounted to the back side of the wall. And this area here specifically has a lot of mosquito activity because the neighbors don't really do a great job of keeping up back there, and there's a lot of English ivy, and mosquitoes love English ivy. So this mist just carries through the air. It only runs 3 times a day for 30 seconds at a time. I know these are just on, we're just flushing all the air out of them before we put the chemical in, but normally this would just run for 30 seconds. Once in the morning, early in the morning, once in the afternoon, and then once in the evening time. Take you around and just show you the brains of the system. And we've got some more down this side over here. Typically we just treat the backyard or the living area, swimming pool. This is the system, so it's just a 55-gallon drum. Takes up an area that's about 2 by 2. So you just need 110 power and then a source of water to fill the tank. The system's on a timer. It even has a remote control, so that if you're outside and the system's on, you want to go outside and the system's on, you can turn it off. You can, or turn it on, or you can just do a quick mist now. For example, you notice a couple of mosquitoes flying around, you got some company coming, you can hit that mist now button, or the gnats, and it'll knock them out. So, turn the camera back around. So if you've got a great outdoor space and you want to make it more livable, get rid of the mosquitoes, get rid of the gnats and flies and that kind of stuff, it's a general insecticide that it uses, so it's great on a lot of different insects. Give us a call, 803-474-0002. Find us online, stokesmosquito.com. You can find us on Facebook, Stokes Mosquito. And if you want to get rid of flying insects in your yard, give us a call, look us up, contact us online. We'd love to be of service.